we are in Bombela in Nelspruit. We are here to celebrate the Golden Games as well as a program for active aging. What I think is important today first to remember is that we are also commemorating Human Rights Day, and elder persons also deserve their rights to be respected not only by government but be respected by everybody, in particular the communities where they live. I'm very happy that this program has been very consistent by the Department of Social Development in its portfolio, and this is an opportunity for the elderly people to express themselves about their challenges in the communities. But I think what was also important was the fact that they are coming with solutions. They are also telling us, for instance, that they are unhappy with the categorization of statistics when it comes to gender-based violence. They're saying most of the time the statistics speaks to others rather than also including them as elderly. And they were also expressing themselves by the fact that women in particular suffer because of gender-based violence, but also they were telling us that they suffer because some of the children they live with, their own children, abuse them by taking away the SASSA cards from them, and they end up having to spend even that money that is given to them by government as their social grant, which therefore means the Department of Social Development at all provinces needs to make sure that the elderly in their places of stay, they were complaining, for instance, about housing. They were also saying that when you are married and your husband dies, then the family of the husband comes and takes away their house. They were also saying in some instances their own children sell their houses. There's quite a number of issues which they raised, but what I think I'm comfortable with is the fact that they are giving us solutions. Finally, what I also think is very important is that we must call upon our communities to respect the rights of the older persons. We must call on our communities to utilize the skills that are there, because here you have nurses who've retired, you've got teachers who have retired, you've got different specialities of people who have retired. They are still as fit mentally, physically and otherwise. They themselves were saying they want communities to use them, because we know obviously that older persons have got a vast experience from where we can tap in and make sure that they contribute towards the building of their own communities.